We often get caught in the confusion when it comes to the difference between renovation versus remodeling. Not just renovation and remodeling are confused with each other, but other terms including repair, refurbishing, rebuilt, and restoration is used interchangeably for both ideas. We will separate each term with perfect clearance. But first, we need to understand each separately, then we will observe the difference between them. So, what is renovation? Renovation is reconditioning of the building in order to either repair or modernize, in terms of basic functionality and appearance. Renovation rejuvenates the building by improving the working conditions and look of the building. And what is remodeling? Remodeling is changing the basic structure of a building, or just of a room, in terms of functionality and design. What's the difference between renovation and remodeling? As you can see, the difference between renovation and remodeling is quite clear, and there are numerous differences among them. Renovation is for making minor changes, as compared to remodeling, with the aim of repairing and upgrading, but keeping the purpose and basic design of the place the same. Whereas remodeling is for changing the purpose and basic layout of the space by relocating or adding walls and ceilings, which is a major change. In simple words, the renovation goal is to keep a building or structure in good working condition, while remodeling is for changing space usage, which results in altering the basic design. As major alterations call for bigger budgets, therefore, remodeling with major changes is more expensive than renovation. Renovation rarely requires permits, while remodeling almost always does. The reason remodeling has low ROI, or return on investment, when drawn comparison with renovation, is remodeling is not about demolishing and building the entire structure from scratch, which is in fact rebuilding. Instead, just altering it. This means only some components of the building have been changed, but those that haven't been may require repairing in near future. Also, it will hardly do any good in raising the resale value when sold, because technically the building or house is old. Now a deeper dive in both renovation and remodeling. First, try to understand renovation in depth and its purpose. As discussed previously, renovation is maintenance or upgradation of a structure's basic attributes. These attributes include the basic functions of a building and how does it look. This rejuvenation by renovation may include HVAC, electrical, plumbing systems, repainting, installing new fixtures or hardware, replacing appliances and adding new flooring, etc. Therefore, if your kitchen cabinets need refacing, wood flooring requires change, or needs to install a dishwasher in your kitchen, it's the renovation you need. But unlike remodeling, the structural design, or purpose of each area of the building, remains the same. Most of the homeowners do renovation, either because full-scale repairing is required, or they want to make the place more delightful and congenial, if not opulent, or simply they are selling the place and want a better resale price. On the other hand, remodeling is about making changes to the basic layout of the building, mostly involves removing or adding walls or ceilings in order to change the function of a space. Like changing your kitchen location or its size, adding a new bathroom, or making an existing one bigger. Or changing basic layouts, such as the location of rooms, stairs, and windows. If the goal is to combine two rooms, relocate your kitchen, adding a bathroom, change your bedroom into a kitchen, or kitchen into the study. It is the remodeling you need. It means transforming usage of space, either with changing, or without changing walls and ceiling. Though it's mostly with changing walls. Remodeling can be as major as adding a floor to your house, and as simple as changing your bedroom into a home office. As you can see, it's about changing the plan of your house, which ultimately changes the purpose of different areas in a house. But unlike renovation, the functionality and design of the space are changed. The purpose of remodeling can vary from client to client, but generally, remodeling is required when the design is poor and should be changed to be more efficient. For example, if you require a common bathroom so that you don't have to go into a bedroom every time you want to use the bathroom. Or the staircase should be relocated so that one shouldn't have to walk through the living room to go upstairs. Which costs more? There is no doubt that remodeling is costlier than renovation, as it demands major changes for tearing of older walls, and building new, will not just require masons, but electricians, plumbers, carpenters, etc. too. For the walls may have pipes, wires, or wood structures in them, which need to rebuild. Contrary to remodeling, repairing a wall, or hanging wallpaper on it, will require a minimum amount of effort and money, which is in the case of renovation. This illustration shows when you should choose renovation, and when remodeling is a better option than renovation. It mostly depends upon one's personal priorities and preferences. Thus varies from person to person. Now, as you know the difference between remodeling and renovation, to see the difference between repair, rebuilt, restore, refurbishing and how these are different from renovation and remodeling, check the link in the description below. Click Remodeling versus renovation.
For more videos or updates, like and subscribe to our channel. Guarantee estimation.